Hello everyone. Today I will show how we can estimate mean, standard deviation and standard error in MS Excel sheet. So for this, first we need a data on MS Excel sheet. For example, there is a Excel sheet data. I will open this. So if I open this data, we can see here the name of the genotype in the first column, treatment name. There was two treatment, half strength and full strength MS media. Then replication, two parameters were recorded, shoot length and root length. So for this, what I will do, I will go here or I will select any row that is any row that is first row actually. So I will go here, I will click this one and then I will make filter. Afterwards, I will click this one. I want to separate these two treatments. Okay, then I will select the full distance first. Okay, the full distance image data only here. That means the data from only one treatment. Okay, I will select, I will make copy, I will open a new sheet and then I will place this data. In the same way, I will take the data from half instant MS media. So in this case, what I will do, just I will copy these two threads, copy and then I will make paste. Okay, so what I did in the first case, I took the half is full extent, and in the second case, I took the half extent data. So I can write here, I make an additional row, I can write full, then I can write half. If you like this to Mars, then you can go forward cells, or sorry, you can Mars this. Okay, you can Mars this. Okay, then you can remove this one. Now our data arrangement is like this. So what you will do, you can write here mean, you can write standard div, you can write standard error, or AC, and simply SE, standard error. So I will go here and then I will drag this, and importantly it will make blank this one because we want to show the average here. Then you will go here, sorry, home, and then average. Okay, you get. Then you will drag this, hopefully you get, and then standard deviation. Okay, in this case you will click, okay, we want to measure the standard deviation. Just I select equal and then I go to equation and then standard dev. If you don't find here, you can go here and you can click all, then you can drag, go down, and then you can find the standard dev, this one. Okay. Then they are asking to put the values. Then we can select the values from here. Okay. And then we will give okay. It's done. That means you are getting the standard deviation. You can drag this. Okay. Lovely. You get the all standard deviation. Okay. For measuring standard error, we need to go to an equation. What the equation says. If we see the standard error of mean, then you find the equation that sigma divided by square root n. That means standard deviation of the population is divided by the size of the sample. It should be square root, the size of the sample. Okay, we will follow this equation here. Then what I will do, equal, and then I will select the standard deviation. You see, standard deviation, and then divided by SQRT. I will go SQRT. You can go all, and you can find, drag this, go down, and you will find SQRT. SQRT. Okay, we are close to SQRT. Yes, I got this. SQRT. You can take this, and they're asking the number. Actually, this number is the number of observation. So if you count from first to bottom, then we can find here 18 samples here, because 1 and 2 it should not be included, and there is 20. That means 20 minus 2 is 18. I have 18 observations here. Okay. Then you find the standard error. Okay. Drag this, you get the all standard errors. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching.